Hello everyone, this is Stephen Balch, your instructor for Small Business Management at Ozarka College. Today what I would like to do is give you a little bit of feedback on the Chapter 9 activities that I graded earlier this week. And then I'm going to tell you, also give you some feedback on the midterm exam as well. And then remind you to keep working on your semester project. And then I'm going to tell you what we've got coming up due for chapters 10 and 11. All right. So first thing is, like I said, I did finish grading the chapter 9 activities earlier this week. You should have already gone in and looked at your grades for those because you've had plenty of time and read the grading comments. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and do that as soon as possible and let me know if you have any questions at all. Most of you did well on those chapter 9 activities. So I really appreciate the time and effort that you're putting in. So keep up the good work on that. The midterm exam, if you remember, that closed Wednesday night. And I have gone in and looked at the grades for those. Most of you did well. So I really appreciate that again. I appreciate the effort that you're putting in. So keep up the good work on that as well. Now, later on today, I will open up the midterm exam for review purposes, so you can kind of look at the questions that you missed and let me know if you have any questions or anything. And also, you can use that midterm exam to study the concepts for the final exam. Okay, so just let me know if you have questions about that. Let's see, the semester project. Let's go to the activities page here. And I know I always remind you about this, but I do that because it's very important. We're now halfway through the semester, and this semester project is going to be coming up due pretty quickly after spring break. It's due by April 22nd, so you should have already gotten quite a bit of work done on it already. And those of you that have been working on it, just keep working on it. Let me know if you have any questions about anything. If you haven't done much with the semester project, I would highly recommend getting started on that right away. The more time and effort that you put into it, the better chances you're going to be able to get a good grade on that that semester project. If you wait until the last week that it's due or the last couple of days before it's due, you're not going to be able to get all the work done. It's just as simple as that. So be working on that, and also kind of keep in mind that a lot of the assignments that we're going to be doing between now and the time that the semester project is due, a lot of those assignments are going to have questions where you're actually creating a portion of your semester project. So the more time and effort that you put in on the front end, the less you'll have to do, to get it all ready to turn in later on. So just kind of keep that in mind. Okay. Now, what we've got due next is chapters 10 and 11 activities. So you've got the assignment, test, and discussion. Let's click on the assignment link here. You'll notice there are a couple of questions here that, you're going to be creating. For example, part of this chapters 10 and 11 assignment, question 1, to be specific, is going to have you create a list of names and locations of your competing companies that are going to compete with yours, all right, with your small business. And it can either be a direct competition or indirect competition. But you need to have at least, 2 main companies that you're going to analyze and kind of compare with your business that you're starting, all right? And so that's that. It's called the competitive analysis table, and so that's going to be a large part of your semester project. So again, put the time and effort in on the front end here, but by doing this on the assignment, and that'll be one less thing you'll have to worry about when you are putting your semester project together, because you'll already have this done. All right, and there are going to be some other things on this assignment that are going to have you create a portion of your semester project, like the promotion section of your business plan for question 5. Okay, so again, as you're working on the assignment and on the semester project, just let me know if you have any questions at all. Okay. And also, by the way, at the bottom of the assignment page, I've got a video here that shows you, I take you step by step in the creation of that competitive analysis table. Okay, I actually give you an example. So it would be to your benefit to watch this video to help you better understand what you need to do for that table, which is going to be a part of your semester project. Okay, so like I said, be working on that. Let me go back to the activities page here. So you've got the chapters 10 and 11 assignment, test, and discussion, all due by Saturday, March 22nd, which is the Saturday right before spring break. So you've got the rest of this week and then next week to be working on that and get all those activities submitted. All right, and then we won't have any work due during spring break, and then when we come back after spring break, we'll have our next set of chapter activities due that week. Okay. The only other thing I need to tell you about is I did post midterm grades for this class yesterday. So go ahead and look at your midterm grade. It shouldn't be a surprise. It'll be whatever letter grade corresponds to whatever percentage grade you have currently in the class. But if you do have questions about it, let me know as soon as possible, and I will look at it for you. Okay? And, one other thing I do need to do very quickly here, and I forgot to do it when I was talking about the assignment. By the way, Chapter 10 covers global marketing. So in Chapter 10, you're going to learn about the advantages of entering global markets, the strategy options for entering global markets, the challenges of global marketing, and then finally the resources available to support global ventures. All right, and then Chapter 11, you're going to be learning about smart selling and effective customer service, which are two important things, especially in small business. In the chapter, you're going to learn about the principles of selling, steps in the selling process, the importance of customer service, and then finally how to implement what's called a customer relationship management system. All right, so those are chapters 10 and 11. So like I said, be working on those activities. Let me know if you have questions, and I will talk to you sometime after spring break. Thank you.